Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH. So, what friend me? Addo was searching you.
I am a force. I am a tutor. Sent to Kwana on the tripartite war.
Almost a day.
As soon as
there be. I am if whatever research they have, whatever it is they know. Ghana is immune to global war.
Never. We are never immune.
In America,
we are never immune.
And they should tell our leaders there. Then they should apologize to Ghanaians. They say, and to Kwano, now no pay me by who say petrol. You see, I cost.
And to say,
it's again in our Kayen.
Ocean world markets now have what they said, rise, and Rana M say 111 or so.
119.
119, exactly. From here, he's 67 in the
and so, is it because our leaders are incompetent? Is it because Addo is no longer forcing?
Level. No, hold on. Speaker, say international markets no, cost but as soon so Cassie and ye, in Tiensha Hawa, sometimes no. These politicians, me and the Biameka say, Omudiabo. Ain't no, I find your because the Nitria say Adeni A, and so Bema who say Adeni B, I mean, Nitria, and you know, so we have some Ghanaians and so on. Sebi, one more a little bit gullible, so it's weak a crabby abecano. They just accept it as it is. But Obi Hobecho no Boase, on the India questions and the Okana would see into Safono, Womunyomo. Me and the American say, Yen chain. Let's give time some time. Yen chain afe na airbobo. Se ebeko shro na yebe share esunsuansuo no bebi edi eba kwakodra. Ehone behu because utia na the then opposition for no. Almost say yes, of course. Russia Ukraine war enya effects. Ewa mind bebre so. But the impact na any or how na here na Ghana for ekom na it was absurd because of mismanagement. Intermaker say the crisis need beba. No mom eba the way I over manage the situation no and the me who say we are competent and as we are incompetent.
But you see,
let's give time some time.
Fantastically and very well said. Me say better ha men kasama in kasama. I'll put it the way ebeye o ya depending on some America no ebeye o ya echna before beye o de. Let nobody anywhere see says Hadiwe Esekai Enkaye and to Kwano Mokono. And Yamene Okawa hey. From video design and conform Chow Mucham. A bit just as a journalist, I will say, dating a Bekai. Me per se obi or jitum say Bekai. On my chairman in Tia Bekai.
Okay.
As someone make the import is that your politicians ain't no crack for. Your politicians, what we are that for? Your politicians, what my just one more or minor. They speak out of their belly and because of what they want to get and achieve for themselves. Because and to kwano die enkayen kan bekayan ne se bomb bi koto Lebanon so jafo bi ko praye and no kwani the impactor Ghana for yebenya but say as I said, Boko boy de Ukroma, no.
Debbie.
Say petrol boy de Ukroma. Petrol no I call 11 cities 40 something percent. I don't agree. It should go back to 10 cities. They talk there and talk. Me see nobody. Obianto. They say supersonic, hypersonic missiles on to tree. Ebiabaha. Somebody should look into my face and tell me say Ebiabaha. Ebimbaha. Okay. Your politicians in answer who oppositioner. There are other messages you can send out to really exhibit your knowledge and the wisdom you have for the Ghanaian to vote for you. Do not turn out lies. Do not turn out ignorance. Do not. And I am too charged. I am too charged. You know why? Anytime these politicians are petrol politics, it ends up at their doorstep. Anytime politicians are power politics, it ends up at what you say you do can rough.
Oh yes.
You do kanya and run at you do mekania.
You num kania crowd show.
Me say you do kania and nobody I say kania no more doom in clusters. ye ka area we bom na ye dum no enti ebekwa rotation ebeba 3 days time enti when imba won say ye dum kanea anytime the politicians and the power issue be a campaign without tackling it real no it ends up at their doorstep. Anytime the politician does forest politics, it ends up at their doorstep because some of the things we don't have absolute control over.
May I say control no any be was so Jumedi no Ghana ni media think at TV so things
Yabo media village here. Yene other corporate entities ana eye. Akabomi. Corporate entity no. Ese so who ni benefit oba be sponsor event no so be dey.
Obenya. Yeah.
And you give and take. Some of them ni bebre na kra nyeska kra no mse da de ma in terms of sponsorship.
But been a young cry.
Yeah, the materials being at the end of the month, then you also give them the chance and the opportunity say omo be display omo product omo yede omo
butter cry most of them butter
and this for this omo madness this omo how they say
anti omo to call apai
kwame God bought you a there omo ton
enye niam ye gugu yan say to ye kom ya
PMMC
and name
PMMC PMMC they by the new act no PMMC is dead.
What check gold board jewelry on my website in as well. On what or formerly known as PMMC.
That's fine. But I'm just saying
company or
I'm just saying say gold board jewelry there no mo ye.
Ene mo ye ne eniama de to yan sa chain ne asomade gold watch sane man no.
Sane man why ne tashe.
Ayema Sane ma we man etato
to ashase refine oil obo ejuma why ye Malik Vasintali don't go there don't go there Vasintali boy gold board almighty papa Sameja feel gold board solid guy CEOs ni bi no mo bo ejuma. Hey, ebi so be coffee. Ebi so be coffee o. Hey, ehu. Hey. Ezu.
You know. Me ma ka kire wo say, eye. Me call ye no. Anko yi. Utie. Me call ye na anye den. Anko yi. Okay. All right, tell me back. Intino, metna say, na my juma, and I say, I want to take my time and then think of what I want to do next. Mimi di anu me a ubedi metini di American no. Na dia obetsna ha one more brake kan kwase asem. Edefa Dr. Baumia any MPP ho no. Eka say MPP nya ade na NDC better than MPP no. Or say by force, so I mean, me home. Hello, Sterling. Who will be can? Okay. You, paper to you, Mate. Now, Odiobedi Mimechini say, or Kote party, amame by force. The base, Yati a party. Charlie, Ghana for. Me na ubedi mechino. Me ya baby nkoka say me kwete party o. Say we 2x4 adwene na we bedi mechi because we dey say ye be dawa lotion amount ambemu no. O de kwa kwete party. Let me tell you people this. And nobody should control me on this. Some of the Kennedy Japan supporters, some of the Brian Champion supporters, some of the Educhum supporters, Cabinet Japan, anyone who went for the election supporters, Amudin kwasi a play, enti ana mo ho nya kono bi no. Se moya mo ho sa mo ba be ye mo ho enemy of the state, enemy of progress here. This time around, yen fan chemo. Ye begi doctor campaign ni de sin China, ya mampenifo na omo ye gina koye. Na ye no, ya seda, e de kobre, e de aboyeti. Ene mo atena nkwase a api so. E di nkwase asem we bi nsi Ghana da. Se mo obobo oboda mo a, ye koto waba. Abato no ya to awie. the winnie ye winnie. So far, Brian Champo Majina baby and can say or 10. So far, Kennedy Japan, Enina baby as or 10. Enti abaifo nkurasefo na wo mama menum nim nyansantino wo mama bodam fo ma na ne wo nyem ye edi sikadie ne nkwase asem abefra MPP mu a wo person nkwase asem ba MPP no you are warned. You are very warned. This time we will not tolerate the stupidness. It's not going to happen. May catch them plain. Mo amujina asa Kennedy Japan kwankwati ni sabi mo no sabi mujina ho ye den mo kwati party ne Aden na mo ankasa mo nkonkwati party no. But ma Jimmy mo ya bayifo. At the papa ekoso mo mpenti no, yemfa distraction. Emfa mrem. Until Kennedy Japan does a press conference to tell the whole world says he say MPP no onka hu bio na wakoti the party no. You guys are irrelevant trash. Mo ye trash. Especially mo am TikTok and social media no. Mo ye trash. Muye wura, muye got musio. Those bloggers, 2x4 bloggers, no mukra, 70 viewers, 50 viewers for no. Muntie ni ye pa. Until Kennedy Japan himself tells you so kwatino no. Monfa mani wuo, mo beye, ene mo nkwasi etire esi mo nkwasi akonso, enkodi mo maame no aduane. No chance for imbecility this time around. Same kuras semno ye meso so this time around kra na o modamu a we be di me mechi na najwa we be di mechi I don't even care if Kennedy Japan is behind them. I don't give a fuck. Man, no, what I care is that Kennedy Japan hasn't come out to say anything. So for me, he has not come out to say it. Until Kennedy comes out to say it and now he's no longer, then we treat him like Alan. But at a stance. Same krasa for na mudi di nechi la sulala for na mudi nechi 50 viewers and 19 viewers for na ya na mudi no. This time be very careful. People think it's a joke. Some obey ye na empire the papa. And untima bet na bru chire ma mobra. Matri taxi 83 years, 33 years. I'll just say Kennedy Japan baby agbelima factory hoa. And I will tax in a in Americano, Ubenya Huskano, Sam Kurasem. We are not going to tolerate it no more. Mo amokwaje parian for ye to talk cast mamo, phobia member kwasiye. This time I remember Jimmy. Now crowd ye say ye kase kolo abua mu abua nka phobia member number 1. Number 1, who we are see abaye, onyankopon amfa anwofa amwa wo. Oho nyefe. Uti hwi nyefe. Osia pro, wenu bon. Height so ayama ubi, body so ayama ubi, kasa so ayade ka brofo so ayama ubi. Reading your name kurana wu nimu ye. Baumia, Baumia, ne krama yo wo fie kura ho won faso chen wo phobia member. Samira Baumia, sebio mprediasa. Why na ye wie kura ko yi akone no de o yi akone no kura ho won faso chen wa bu abi te se phobia member. Na wo sa boy we dia mebo wo phobia member mebo. That's them we me we feed that. Any opportunity be a phobia member. That you be me pull send me yemu pa me can be a what's our boy no. Me people think it's a joke. When your party politics so there be. Sa boy need you make no physical, make no physical. Now make no man up con with him. I promise. I bet you come over. So I'll be with you. Me pu boy me pu sa phobia member me pu phobia ebi na New York no man ye bibi invite me ntia anke New York for ye bibi invite me de me ba ho a